Let's do this quick because I'm in charge with my garden anyway. Ayan. Get some tall weeds in there. Island though. Next, laundry is finished. Ayan, tapos na talaga the battery. Done with workout again. Okay, it's time to put the laundry in the dryer. We get 3 battery, we can continue again tomorrow.
Charge it.
You will charge? Okay.
Take care of that.
Good morning everyone. So it's been raining the whole night and even this morning, so I did not feed the birds yet. It's already 10 o'clock and I am in the kitchen. I look at the window and oh, there you go, the birds are in the stair railings. I know if they hear my voice, for sure they will come near the house. Hala! I see them flying all over. You guys hungry, I'm sure. Oops, oops. Okay. Oh wow, windy. How are you guys overnight? It's been raining the whole night. And I'm surprised you are around. You know your schedule of eating breakfast. Though it's quite late already, at least you still get to eat. So now guys, everybody happy. They are eating breakfast, late breakfast. Okay, bye-bye. Enjoy your food. I'm going inside because I already started cooking dinner. Yes guys, I started very early. Okay guys, it's cooking time. Like what I said earlier, I started cooking our dinner very early. So, what do I have in here? I have ground pork. So, I'm just tenderizing the ground pork. I put water and a pinch of salt. Any guess kung anong dinner namin na tonight guys? Well, I prepared carrots, potato, Of course, garlic and onion with tomato sauce. Ayan, you have a clue already. Yes, I will be making giniling. Oh, I also get raisins. Ayan siya, para masarap. I guess I need a few more minutes. It looks, it's getting there, very tender. So this is how I cook giniling. Of course, everybody get their own style, their own version. So this is mine. And when I told hubby, oh, I will cook a giniling today. And he said, oh, that is good. So, okay. I did the right decision then. I did not do much in the yard today, guys, because, yeah, I said earlier it was raining the whole night and even this morning. So I just went outside earlier when it's not raining to feed the birds, because when I look at the window, oh, they are all lined up in the stair railing. I know they can hear my voice. My voice sounds familiar to them. Okay, few more minutes. So this is how the ground pork looks like now, guys. Not much water anymore. In fact, it's drying up. And I will just wait for the oil to come out. Antayin ko lang siya, guys, na medyo magmantika. Ayan, oil starting to come out. Ayan siya, guys. Clear na. Ayan. So now, I will add garlic or yung ating bawang. I crush the garlic and then dice. I can smell now. Also, I will put onion. Dice as well. Mix na natin. Ang bango niya, promise. Okay, so next, guys, this one, I will add tomato sauce. Ayan. Then, add ng konting salt. So, I will simmer this for around 2 minutes para ma-absorb ng ground pork yung ating mga spices, the garlic and the onion, and then the tomato sauce. Okay, let me check. Oh, this is good. Next, I will add water. So I will simmer this maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Oops, eto siya, guys. It's simmering. Ayan, konti pa. Takpan natin. Okay, let me check again. It's been a few minutes. Can I add the first ingredient or vegetable? Yeah. So first guys, I will add the potato. I am adding the potato first because it will take longer time to cook. Ayan. Hala, dumami na siya. So I put one potato. So parang yung cut ng potato, it's just like dice. And then next, the diced carrot. Ayan siya, maglagay din tayo. Next guys, I have here bay leaf or dahon ng laurel. I decided to put this at the latter part of my cooking para hindi masyadong strong yung taste niya. Very light lang. And of course, not to forget, I have here raisins. So, the rest of the raisins I ate already while cooking. So, eto siya. I'll just wait for the carrot and potato to be fully cooked and that's it. Ready for dinner. Ay, may ilalagay pa pala akong isa. Maglagay tayo ng konting ground pepper. Almost done cooking. Ayan na siya guys. Ooh, masarap. Kailangan ng madaming rice. Let's eat dinner. Pork giniling with appetizer.